Black's objective here is to kill white on the corner. So the first move shouldn't be too hard to find. You should observe that this stone is in danger of being captured. But if you try to save it, then white can live very easily by playing at number 2. There's just no way black can kill white after white's number 2 here. So this should be the first move, exploiting this potential cut at c17. Clamping here doesn't work. Right? This will just give white enough eye space here in the corner. And if you play this ko, I don't think it exists for this problem because white can capture this stone. So number 1, clamping will not work. It has to be here. And now white cannot ignore it because black can connect back this way. Cutting here probably doesn't work because white can now make an extra eye this way. So black needs to be careful. I think clamping here will guarantee black success because 1 and 3 will be able to connect back and white will only have 1 real eye. If white connects here, now this is already a dead shape here on the corner. No matter what white does, this is going to be a dead shape. So in the end, it's either going to be a real eye versus no eye, or if white plays here, this is going to be a bulky 5 shape in the end. Or if black connects here, this will be a square 4 shape. So white can just connect here. White's strongest move is here, right? This will be the wrong direction. Black can still clamp this way and threaten to come back. This way, white will still be dead. Right? So this is white's strongest move, and black needs to be a little careful. You might think this move, right? This way, white will be dead because now black is threatening to connect back here, or black will destroy this extra eye here, and this will be a dead square 4 shape. The problem with number 3 is that white can play at the 2-1 point. So just like the previous problem in this section, 268, this 2-1 point is really key. Now, if black plays on the outside, destroying this potential eye, white can just start this ko, right? Playing at the 2-1 point is all about this ko right here, at the 1-1 point. So it's really annoying when black fails for the purpose of this problem. Playing on the outside, then it's similar. You have to play through this ko for black. And if you play something like this, then I guess what white will do, right, if white connects here, white will fail, because we'll be back to one of the previous variations where 8 and 9 are mi-eye. White cannot get both. But what happens now, I think, is that white can capture this stone, black can play it this way, these stones will be cut off, white cannot come in from either side, but for the purpose of this problem, white can capture number 8 and threaten to play this ko with black. So if black wants to avoid the ko, white will be able to build an extra eye here. So black still fails. So that's why number 3 needs to be here. Now black is threatening once again to connect on the first line this way and number 5. So white must prevent it from connecting. And black needs to play number 5 after number 3. And white must take care of this cutting point. And after 1, 3, and 5, this is already clearly a dead shape here in the corner. And there's just no way white can make a living shape after black's number 7. So this is the correct sequence. Overall, not too difficult because black's choices, or good choices, are really limited in this situation. And I think the biggest trap to avoid is not to play number 3 here. You have to stand down here. Once again, the 2-1 point is really, really key. And you need to be really careful in these problems and in real games when you're calculating all these patterns on the corners. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.